One of the main motivators for camping is that promise of sleeping out under the stars, right? Which sounds great in theory until, I don't know, the bugs come, or it gets too cold, or you're worried about what's lurking behind you, that rattle in the bush. Well, one new trailer design allows you to have your comfort and your view too. We sent Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn to go and check it out.
Gear up for that holiday travel by taking luxury living on the road and enjoying all that Utah has to offer. Brett Parris with Parris RV is here with me. Tell me about this model. You said that it's 4-season certified and pretty much good for whatever.
Yeah, you know, this is a 2021 Lance, and the model is a 1985. It's really one of our very most popular Lance trailers. And the thing about Lance, I mean, you think about this, I've done this 29 years. I have 28 brands of RVs currently. I've seen over 30,000 go through my fingers in that time.
It's a lot of trailers.
And there is truly nothing like a Lance. It is absolutely an amazing product, the very best of the best, and there's nothing like it. They're like you said, 4-season certified. The tanks are fully enclosed, sealed, heated, wrapped, but even to a more extreme than the other brands. It's 4-season certified. You can go out in the dead of winter, which also is really nice in the summertime because it keeps them cool with the air conditioner. Plus, it's got dual pane windows, which I really like. You know, if you look at all the small trailers out there and you go around and say, hey, I want one dual pane windows, I don't believe you're going to find one. I mean, I don't know of one. I've never seen another one. So the fact that this Lance has dual pane windows, it's a big thing because that's the #1 spot for heat loss in an RV is the windows, so dual pane windows will help with that.
Got you covered year-round. As far as towing, what do you need to tow something like this? You
know, this thing's like 4,800 pounds. It's 23 feet, so it's lightweight. You know, a Grand Cherokee or something, or a half-ton vehicle. You know, a larger SUV, you know, like a Tahoe or something will handle this no problem. It's got a push-button electric tongue jack. It's got push-button electric stabilizer jacks underneath it. And you just hit the button, out goes the awning with a nice LED light on the side. It's got aluminum steps. It's got aluminum wheels, flush mount, frameless windows. Like I said, are dual pane, but they're also frameless and flush mount, which is also unique. I mean, it's just the best. I love the front end of this thing. I'm going to call that window the Stargazer window.
I like that name.
That's my name, not their name, but you know, I just think it'd be nice to be able to lay in bed there, look out the window, look up at the stars.
Another detail that I noticed on the outside is a keyless entry, which is good if you're going out and about, hiking, right? How does that work?
Yeah, you know, I mean, you head out on a hike, you don't want to lose your keys when you're out hiking, so just leave them in the trailer, set that keyless entry to whatever code you want, and then you come back, hit that, open the door up, and head on inside.
What are some of the inside features that stand out?
First thing I'm going to talk about is that Murphy bed. I absolutely love the Murphy bed. So it's got a walk-around island queen bed, which is what everybody wants because you can get on both sides. And then you can flip the bed over, and underneath the bed is a sofa. So Chelsea, if you said to me, I want an island queen bed, I want a big slide out with a U-shaped dinette like this has, and I want a sofa, I'm going to tell you they're going to have to be in a 26-foot box, and you're going to be 29 or 30 feet overall. Lance is able to accomplish all of those things in this super small compact package.
Okay.
This is a 19-foot box, overall is 23 feet, and the reason they can do that is because they can make 6 feet that bed.
To buy back that space.
Yeah, it flips over and goes out of the way. You know, in the daytime, you don't need the bed. At nighttime, you don't need the sofa. And they're in the same space, which is really cool.
It so nice.
Very nice.
What about the kitchen area? What does this have to offer? Great
big kitchen, lots of counter space, undermount sink, residential pull-out sprayer. You've got a great big U-shaped dinette that's large in this thing, so you've got a big dinette to bring your friends in and play some cards. You've got tons of walkway space in there, so it feels big and open even though it's small, compact, and lightweight and easy to tow.
Everything that you need right
Everything
there in
you
one
need.
package.
Great big bath in the back. I mean, absolutely amazing. And Lance, you know, again, highest quality trailer I've ever seen. The cabinetry is unbelievable. They don't have any little wood stiles. It's all with a CNC router cut out.
Okay.
And it's one piece, which is unique. You don't see that anywhere in the business. And then going down the road, this thing will tow like a dream, better than anything else I've ever seen.
Okay. If viewers want to check out more, learn more about this trailer, where can they go for more information?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray on State Street. This particular one is at our South Murray location, which is 5545 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thank you so much, Brett.
Thank you.
Back to you in the studio.
That's gorgeous. That Stargazer window is something, right? I have a goal to be a camper one day, and I hope it looks like that. Thanks so much, Chelsea.